Hello everyone. Welcome to yet another session on Talk with Tech Clubs. Here we have Civil Engineering Club of NIT Trichy, Builderside. They work on social and environmental problems and give sustainable solutions through science, technology, and a spark of creativeness. So let us welcome Akash Raja, the head of Builderside. Hello, bro.
Hello.
So let us move on to the first question. Can you tell us about what is Builderside and what they do?
Builderside is basically the civil engineering club of NITT. Over the past 2 years, we might be known as the social engineering club, but right now we have dived right back into our roots, which was initially what it was a civil engineering club. So what we thought was we would continue what we had left over in the past 2 years. So we are just starting over again as a civil engineering club. So that's the most important thing. As of like the work in Builderside is we take up civil engineering related projects, whether in the industry or in research or in any other startup or developing field. We have tie-ups with them and we work along with them to create new innovations and technologies. So basically that's it. And we also participate in a lot of competitions and win prizes. We also, when you are in part of Builderside, you get to learn new softwares like which involve building information modeling, analysis like StatPro, and then design using AutoCAD, etc. So that's basically what we do in Builderside.
That is nice to hear. So, can you tell us about the major works done by the club so far, the big projects that you are taking care of now?
Over the last few years, Builderside have worked on a cantilever bascule bridge, and we have made innovations in concrete such as translucent concrete, pervious concrete, floating concrete, and sustainable concrete. Then we have developed a surge barrier which rises in case of a flood. Then we have done a Falkirk wheel which automatically collects waste from the rivers. Then we have done a scrap shack which collects waste again. Then when we talk about last year, we did 3 projects, out of which 3 of them reached the final. All of them reached the final stages of Sangam. But unfortunately, as Sangam didn't happen, we couldn't showcase it. But I'm pretty sure it could have won prizes. So those 3 projects are a foldable tent, then a hydraulic exoskeleton, and the forest fire sensing system.
Okay, that are nice projects. So, let us move on to the next part. How was the inductions conducted? Like, how did you take on the inductions in this online SEM and COVID time? And how will it be in the future for the next batches and all?
Okay, during this semester, we couldn't assess the people in live, so we had arranged it via Google Meet. So we had a one-on-one interview with the candidate, and we assigned them 2 tasks which they did. So we checked how they worked in teams and what was their aptitude and logical reasoning capabilities. So we checked on that and how they were interested towards civil engineering and their commitment towards our club. So these were basically tested. And regarding in future, we would employ the same techniques to hire people for us. So that would be the motive. Other than that, I would say people who have interest in civil, that's enough. And we are looking for people only from civil engineering background. If people are exceptional and they have good knowledge about civil engineering, and if they are from different backgrounds, we are ready and willing to take.
That is great. I'm expecting a lot from this new set of team from you. Are there any prerequisites for getting into the club, and what all should a potential inductee have?
A potential inductee should have the will to learn more, and if they have hands-on experience with the structural softwares, and if they have done any interns related to construction and structural works, they would be preferred. And if they have done any project or work regarding any subfield of civil engineering, they are very much welcome. Other than that, we don't require anything because they are their first year, and we would not expect any high-fi projects from them. So
Okay. So after getting into the club, what all projects do the new inductees get to work on and all the team work on?
like right, once they join into our club, they will be having three options. One is non-structural research work, then other is structural research work, and another is industry-oriented construction work. So, according to their interest, they can take up works which we are having right now. If they want to do construction management regarding work, they can go to us, visit a site, they can learn what happens in the site, and they will also learn how the site is managed, how the drawings are drawn, and how the employees are managed at site, how the laborers, masons, they are worked in the site. And if they want to do research work related structural and non-structural, for that we are in talks with other university professors, and according to their wish and what their interest is, they can choose their project accordingly and work on that during the sem. And if they want to create some new project and pitch in some new innovation, they can pitch it in Pragyan or any other fest of any other institute. So that can also happen. That's how the work goes. Basically, when they come out of Builders Life in those 2 years, they will definitely get experience regarding the field, and they will also learn softwares, how to use them. So basically, they would have an edge compared to others from civil engineering of their same.
Okay, speaking on that, what are the main perks of being part of Builder Side for a civil engineering student?
The perks of being in Builder Side is that you will get to work on on-site projects and you will get an intern. Then you will fund your project. You won't get the funds to do civil related projects. Even if you go and do it under a professor, it is their professor's work and not your work. We will fund it. Then you will get to learn softwares which are paid softwares which won't be you will be able to use it, but builders say we will provide the softwares too. So in that regard, you will learn something. So these are the perks. And if you want to do intern, we will make sure you will get it easily rather than going through those tedious paperworks.
Mm-hmm. That's cool. Yeah. Can you tell us about your journey throughout Builder Side from the joining of you?
Yeah. So while I was part of Builder Side, I learned many things. I went to the presenting in Pragyan, so in Sangam. So that was a good experience. Then I went to assistant SRM, IIT Kharagpur to win prizes in their civil engineering fest. So it was like the gateway to the industry. So it was my first stepping stone towards civil engineering. So regarding that, I learned AutoCAD. Like the institute that didn't teach me AutoCAD, I learned it through Builderside. We had a partnership with CAD Center, so like that I learned AutoCAD. So, and teamwork, I learned how to coordinate with team, and then how to during projects I faced lots of hardships. Then I met many people in Lathe, and those people who do the work, I met them, and I learned how to work, how to use the equipments, technical equipments available in our institute, how to get permission. I learned a lot, basically.
Yeah, that's good. So, thank you for your time. Being a part of Builder Side is the best thing that can a civil student get in NIT Trichy. So, wishing a great year ahead for Builder Side, and thank you so much.
Thank you.